What if the most famous symbol in ancient Egypt wasn't a religious icon, but a hidden medical blueprint of the human brain? For 5,000 years, the Eye of Horus has been worn as a protective amulet, a charm, a symbol. But in the lens of biomythology, we find something far more technical. This isn't just art, it's a blueprint, a stylized cross-section of the midbrain hardware required for human consciousness. Because the ancients didn't just believe in vision. They understood the architecture of perception. They knew the eye on your face is only a peripheral device, while the true eye sits deep inside the skull. Now, here's where it gets clinical. If you superimpose the Eye of Horus over a sagittal section of the human brain, the correlation is almost impossible to ignore. Every curve maps to a real structure. The pupil aligns with the thalamus. The thalamus is the relay station. Almost every piece of sensory data enters your brain through it before your mind turns it into reality. The upper curve aligns with the corpus callosum, the bridge between the left and right hemispheres, the structure that allows logic and intuition to speak to each other. And the trailing line aligns with the pineal region, the transceiver for light, sleep cycles, and internal timing. Now, the most overlooked detail. The Egyptians divided the eye into 6 mathematical fractions. And when you add them together, they equal 63 out of 64, not a full number. One part is missing. And the ancients said the missing 1/64th is the secret of Thoth, the unmeasurable element, the thing that can't be weighed. Consciousness itself, meaning the Eye of Horus wasn't just a symbol of protection, it was a diagram of sensory integration. The moment your brain takes raw data and constructs the simulation you call life. But in the modern world, our internal eye is under attack. Blue light, digital noise, constant scrolling, chronic stress. We live in sensory fragmentation. We can't focus. We can't see patterns. And when the midbrain is corrupted, reality becomes distorted. The Eye of Horus teaches one brutal rule. If you want clear perception, you must protect the hardware. Reduce the noise. Restore the rhythm. Recalibrate the inputs. So here's the system prompt. Is your internal eye clouded by digital noise? Or is your midbrain hardware fully calibrated? Subscribe to SayenMythos to get more insight like this. Because in the next archive entry, we move from the mind's camera to the soul's reset button. Next, we decode the scarab beetle meaning, the ancient algorithm for total neural rebirth. And remember, what if the most famous symbol in ancient Egypt wasn't a religious icon, but a hidden medical blueprint of the human brain?